Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an Everlane try-on haul and review. They are a sustainable clothing brand. They're passionate about radical transparency, ethical factories, and all things sustainable clothing like recycled materials, organic materials, non-toxic dyes, things like that. So I am very excited to share the pieces that I have because Everlane is the most affordable sustainable clothing brand I have found. There are some things that I really love about Everlane, and there are some things that I'm not too excited about. The shipping to you, super fast. Shipping back for returns, not so fast. Also, they do pre-sale on items, which I love because I have been dying to get the Easy Pant from Everlane, and it's been out of stock. People love it, so it sells really quickly, but they do a pre-sale. So I purchased in a pre-sale the Easy Pant, and it was supposed to be shipped to me in August. And then like a few weeks later they were like, oops, it's gonna ship out in October. And I was like, damn, that's like way too late. Like I might need a different size at that time. So I emailed them and I was like, I don't want this pant anymore. And it was super easy to cancel my order and they refunded me immediately. So the customer service is on point. But there are problems like that with logistics where I'm like, okay, I expected to have this pant in a couple weeks and it turns out it's going to be a couple months. So that happens fairly often on their website. It's not like a one-time thing. I feel like this has happened to me maybe 3 times. Which is super unfortunate. That is a definite con for me, but there are so many pros. Fast shipping, the sustainability, they are so affordable. Okay, and on their website, they do this radical transparency. They're calling it radical transparency, where they tell you how much every piece of the garment cost them. Materials, hardware, labor, duties, and transport. If you access their website on a laptop, they'll tell you how much a different retailer would sell this specific garment for and how much they're selling it for, and there's, you know, like a $20 difference. So that is really exciting. I have 2 pieces of the Prima cotton in a large, size large, and then I have 1 piece in a medium. And I think according to the size chart, I am in between the sizes. But I have read other reviews that say if you want a tighter fit in this Prima cotton design, then you should size down. And I agree with that. Because even the medium, when you wear it, it loosens up. Also, there are pros and cons about this Prima cotton. Tank top, long sleeve, and the short sleeve, all in a crew neck. They arrive so soft, all right? Just incredibly soft. You're so excited to put it on your body. After like the first wash, it is definitely not as soft. I wear these a lot. I got this a year ago and I wear it like every other day. It is such a great basic top. It's great for layering, and I live in Oregon and I need to have layers. I am going to purchase more of these, so I may list off a bunch of cons because I wear these so much and there are so much that I like about it that I want them to improve them. This might be like my laundering style, but the colors kind of fade. They dull. They dull really easily. I don't wash them any different than I wash other things that don't dull. And I have Everlane shirts, like I have the cropped organic tee, and that didn't dull in the wash. So I think that it's this Prima cotton that dulls easily. You know, and I wash these cold and I don't dry them. So I don't know what, you know. See the pilling right here? And this stitch is kind of coming apart, right? And it's definitely gotten darker in the armpits, okay? But stain removal does help this. This is just like the perfect like nude, sandy, tan color, and I think it's so fresh and I love it. Look, I got a toddler, okay? I get a lot of stains. And when fabric is like marbled like this, it's like a heather or a marble, it's really easy for me to remove stains, and if there's still like a speck, it just kind of blends in. Okay, that's perfect. I was really excited about their performance line. I love activewear. I used to just exclusively wear activewear because I worked out so much, and luckily I'm not obsessed with fitness anymore, so I'm not in activewear nearly as much. But their performance line. This material is okay. I don't find it incredibly sweat wicking. I don't find it incredibly soft or comfortable to wear. It is recycled material, which is a plus in the sustainability field. It holds up well, the stitching's great. This top has a built-in bra, which I love. I wear this top sometimes. 58% recycled nylon and 42% elastane. This thing rides up, for sure. So if that's gonna bother you, you should know that when you put this on, this rides up your midriff. I don't have a problem with that really because I like crop tops, so not a huge problem. I like the length of this. It like hits right at the top of a high-waisted pant or legging, and I just love that. I tried their leggings and I returned them. Okay, because it's the same material, it's not hella breathable, it doesn't fit perfectly, and if I'm gonna buy a legging that's already made with synthetic materials, then I'm gonna buy it from a brand that only makes activewear. You can't just buy a pair of Lululemon leggings, which, you know, they're not a sustainable company. But in the past I have bought leggings from Lululemon, and you can't go back. You know what I'm saying? When you buy activewear from a company whose sole focus is to create great activewear, the companies who are doing it just like on the side can't compare, you know? I do get wear out of that performance top. I do. It's not my favorite. I don't super recommend it, but I do wear it. I recommend the Prima cotton, okay? I love these shirts. They're great, great shirts. That, okay, shirt. Another shirt that I love from Everlane is this, I want to get the name right. Yeah, organic cotton crop top. I got this in a size medium. I love this color. Guys, this color is like incredible. It's like a brown, like butterscotch, like a pale pastel butterscotch. Yeah, I'm living for this color. It's super soft, comfortable, it washes really well, it's hold up, the seams are great, and I've had this for months and I wear it often. All right, my next two items, and this is actually the first Everlane item that I ever bought, was this alpaca crewneck sweater. And it's a specific kind of like knit. It's ribbed, I think, is what they're calling this. It's like a ribbed knit. This thing is incredibly soft, okay? This is incredibly soft, and if you wear wool, you know that wool can be itchy. So there is that like slightly itchy factor, but the alpaca is less itchy than like a wool material would be. Also, the more you wear it, the less itchy it becomes. But on the flip side, the more you wear this, the more it pills. When it first started pilling, I was hella disappointed because this is pricey. Yeah, they're everywhere. They're mostly on the parts that rub against things the most, which makes sense, right? Pilling, it's friction causes pilling. It's on the arms and then the torso part where the arms rub against. It's so warm. It's warm, but it's breathable because it's a natural material. It's pretty thin, but don't let that deceive you because it keeps you so warm. It's a perfect thing to layer, like a Prima cotton tee, an alpaca sweater, and a coat, and you're like so good to go. Everlane recently had this huge sale during which, is this the only thing I bought? This was the only thing I bought because just a month earlier I had made a big purchase. They had a sale on their alpaca sweaters, and they didn't have one in my size, and they were like totally all sold out. So what they did have was the same fabric, same alpaca fabric in a different knit. Like this isn't ribbed, just the cuff is. This is what they're calling a sweater tee. So it's like a t-shirt, but it's made of a sweater material. And I was like, ooh, that's different, and I've never had that before, so let's give it a try, because it was like $30. This was $30, and normally it's like $130. I haven't been wearing this, right? It's hot outside. So I'm not wearing an alpaca sweater tee when it's 100 degrees outside. I got this in a medium because the large and the oversized was just so big. The medium fits great. So the last thing I got was these track pants. I wasn't expecting to like them that much because on the model on the website I was like, eh, but I love a wide leg, like lounge heavy pant that's gonna keep me warm. I do a lot of lounging. That's not true. I just do a lot of housework because I'm in the house all the time. Super soft. The material holds up so well. They're like extremely durable. The pockets are like a perfect size and length. It's got a little drawstring that sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. The one thing I will say about the drawstring is that they didn't like sew it in. It moves everywhere on the top band of the pants, and I'm not, you know, I'm not a super fan of that. The cuffs on the ends of these pants, they're just cute. They're like, it's like a wide cuff on a wide leg pant. Yeah, it's really cute. It's got a big seam down each side, which I think is kind of stylish, and it just fits perfectly. I got a large in these pants and it was the perfect size. They had these in their sale and I thought about buying another pair, but I was like, nah, that's crazy. So we'll see if I regret that decision or not. But yeah, I wear these pants all the time. They're great. It has a really cute back pocket too. Super cute back pocket. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. Turn on the notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. I share a lot about my spiritual journey, emotional health, parenting, sustainability, all of that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.